This Brightline construction update looks at the progress at Orlando International Airport. Orlando International Airport will be home to Brightline's Orlando station, as well as their heavy maintenance facility on the south side of their property, which is near where I will start. I often get asked why my updates do not include progress on the vehicle maintenance facility, and the answer is quite simple. All the access roads near it are gated off and it is surrounded by trees. The fact it is under the flight path for 2 of the airport's runways also prevents any drone flights. This sign is basically all I can show. One bit of progress that I can't show, however, is along the OUC rail line, which is where a turnout will be installed to allow deliveries to Brightline from this end of the line. Grading here has been completed for that aspect of the track work as seen here. Moving to the northbound side of Jeff Fuqua Blvd, which is the road through the airport, there have not been any visible changes on the line leading from the vehicle maintenance facility to the airport or at the station itself, so I'm moving straight on to the right-of-way work. The trench under the taxiways here has been fully waterproofed now, as seen by the black lining on the walls. Leaving the trench, work has progressed significantly with the start of delivery of the white sub-roadbed material in this area. At the airside 4 baggage cart path, the bridge the tracks will take over the path is close to being complete. It looks like carts are going under the bridge in at least one direction currently. Getting the carts in both directions using this path is an important step in the construction progress, since it means the old path can be removed to make way for work on the right-of-way. The airside 2 bridge and path behind these bushes are still several months away from being completed. Crews are still working on the signal installation for this future crossover. Work in this area has temporarily shifted to building the new on-ramp to Cargo Road. This is necessary before they can begin the second half of the new Cargo Road bridge, since the old on-ramp cloverleaf on the far side will be removed as part of the construction to make room for the right-of-way. At this drainage canal bridge, there is progress on the bridge decking now that all the beams are in place. Continuing on to State Road 528, there are 2 separate construction projects being worked on side by side. Closest to the road is work on rebuilding the interchange between the airport and State Road 528, which is a project that has been fast-tracked to take advantage of lower passenger counts at the airport due to COVID. The other concrete wall is the outer edge of Brightline's right-of-way. This wall is now complete all the way to the Goldenrod Road tunnel. Looking from the Goldenrod Road exit ramp, you can clearly see the right-of-way the tracks will follow to get to the tunnel. Here on the east side of Goldenrod Road, the right-of-way from the tunnel is becoming clearer as walls go up along the path. The earthwork at this location is also coming to an end. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.